Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can give your bathtub a brand new look without that brand new look cost. So here is my bathroom overall before I painted anything. I do plan on doing a bathroom series because I plan on redoing the whole bathroom. But for this video, we're just going to focus on the tub. As you can see, this tub is like a yellowish brownish color and I absolutely hate it. So I found this at Lowe's. They have it now on their website for like $46. I did use 2 cans. The box does say you can get away with one, but I did have to use 2 cans to do 2 full coats. So the previous owners must have had glass doors on this shower combo. So I'm just going to remove all the screws from it so that way I can refill it later and then paint it. Now the kit does come with instructions on how to properly prep the tub so that you can get the product to adhere. Just make sure you guys really pay attention to that and follow those steps. So I did tape off every area that I did not want this product to hit. So that's all I'm doing here. It's just taping everything off to make sure the product only goes where I want it to be. Okay, now, so I'm going to give y'all a warning. This stuff is very potent, all right? The smell is really strong, so don't say I didn't warn you. Now, I also started off with a roller brush, but my brush tore and I did not want to leave and go to the store, so I had this painter brush. Now, I do definitely recommend a roller brush because it is a whole lot quicker and it does apply better, so just keep that in mind. And this is what it looks like after the very first coat. Alright guys, and here is the final result. This is after my second coat and no more ugly yellow, tan, brown tub. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of my bathroom series.